Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to verify Taobao account. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure both Taobao and Alipay are installed on your device. Open Taobao and go to My Account. Tap Settings, then select Account and Security. Next, tap Real Name Authentication and choose Other Methods. If you are in mainland China, select the Mainland China option. If you are outside China, choose one of the available international verification methods. After that, tap Open Alipay to connect your Taobao account with Alipay. Alipay will open automatically and ask you to sign in. Enter your phone number, select your country or region, and continue. Once signed in, a verification form will appear. Fill in all the required personal information carefully and make sure everything matches your documents. If all details are correct, your Taobao account should be verified successfully. So that's basically how you can verify Taobao account. Thanks.